Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reinstall Calculator Windows. Click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Click Advanced Options under Calculator. Click Uninstall. Click Start, click Microsoft Store. Click Apps, type Calculator, select Calculator, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.